Achieving a sustainable hair growth is not impossible, but I know this is what a lot of people want to have something that helps you to grow your hair, something that helps you to achieve long tresses. If you are that kind of person who is eager to grow your hair out and you want to see your hair flourish and healthy, then make sure you watch this video to the end, because in today's video I'm going to be giving you 4 ways in which you can grow your hair both effectively and sustainably. Because the most important thing at the end of the day is making sure that you're doing something that you can both sustain and something that is also effective. Because what is the use of following all the hair care tips or the hair care regimen, and at the end of the day you're not able to sustain that growth? So these tips are not just hearsay, they are tips that I've been using for years, and a lot of people I know that have grown their hair very long and healthy have been using these tips, and it has worked tremendously for them. Number 1 is to stimulate your scalp. One of the ways in which I always tell people to achieve a very healthy hair more especially is to stimulate your scalp. We all know that due to gravity, our blood flow does not quite flow up to our scalp the way it should. The way it's expected to be able to give us the kind of nourishment that our hair needs. So you have to do it manually, and this is something that is very easy to do. I have videos that have shown you guys how to stimulate your scalp, how to massage your scalp. So this is one of the ways in which you can stimulate and bring all those nourishments from your blood up to your scalp. So by doing this, you are giving your scalp all the nourishment that it needs to be able to flourish in a very healthy way. Number 2 will be a holistic nutrition. And I know that this is one aspect a lot of us fail to achieve, especially those of us that are growing out our natural hair, in a natural way without using any form of chemicals and all that. So for you to have a long, healthy tresses, you have to make sure that you're feeding yourself, your body, the right amount of nutrients. There are so many nutrients that once our hair is lacking, you're going to see the effects, the negative effects on your hair, like iron, like protein. So you have to make sure that you're getting the right amount of all those things in your food. So you have to make sure that you're feeding well, you're nourishing yourself from the inside, and trust me guys, you're going to see the result on the outside, which is of course your healthy hair. The number 3 will be gentle cleansing and conditioning. Those are 2 key things, especially on your wash day. You want to make sure you're cleansing your hair gently, you're using the right shampoo for your hair, you're not using shampoos that will just leave your hair to dry out. Even if you choose to use a sulfate shampoo to really make sure to cleanse your hair, because of course it does cleanses the hair, then make sure to always follow up with a deep conditioner that is moisturizing, so that you balance the effect of the sulfate shampoo. I always make sure to deep condition my hair every wash day. So if I'm washing weekly, I deep condition weekly. If I'm washing bi-weekly, I deep condition bi-weekly, but I never fail to miss my deep conditioning section. So if I know that I'm not going to deep condition my hair after washing, then I won't even wash my hair. Yes, it's that serious, because deep conditioning is one thing that has really helped me to grow out my hair from what it used to be just about 2.5 years ago and what it is right now. So I don't ever skip deep conditioning. It really helps you to put moisture back into your hair. It protects your hair strands. It makes your hair strands to be strong and healthy. Then the last thing but not the least is mindful styling technique. You have to be mindful of the kind of style that you put on your hair, how you style your hair, not to put pressure on your scalp, not to do things that will pull out your hair. So I always go for the simpler hairstyles like twist or braids, because those don't put pressure on my scalp. So I take care of my hair in such a way that my styling is not causing any discomfort to my scalp, it's not causing any pressure to my scalp, and I'm not losing in hair due to styling. So that's one way you should really watch out for, because that can make you to lose your hair, and even especially your edges. There are so many of them, but I just decided to stick with this 4 for now, and hopefully do another video to let you guys in on more tips that will help you to maintain an effective and sustainable hair growth. Because at the end of the day, we want to do what we can keep doing, what is sustainable, what is effective, and what is comfortable for us to do at the end of the day. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you do enjoy today's video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Bye.